Well, I gotta say I'm pretty excited. Just got some parts in. Let me show you. We got a couple of tires. We got our solenoid. We got our brake cable repair. Anyway, I'm just excited to try these tires. So I was just gonna jack her up now, just a little bit. Nothing permanent yet. And try on one of these tires, see what it's gonna look like. Haul off this hubcap. There we go. Socket. The socket on this one is 19 mils. I know because I checked it on another tire, so make sure they're all loose. Yeah, they're all. Someone must have been here before me. Okay. Just jack her up a little bit. Don't leave her off the ground that very much, I don't think. Oh my goodness, you really like. I'm just using a car jack. So, I don't know, there's not much weight in this thing. But you know, you definitely wouldn't want it to fall on you. Jack stands are always better. I'm gonna get a set later. I don't have a set right now here. But I just wanna have a look and make sure this tire fits okay. I bought them off Amazon. $99, I think, for two. And when I take this off now, you'll see why I had to replace these. I think these used to be on the front because of the wear pattern. So they definitely have a yarn on them. So obviously there was something out of the alignment, whatever card was off. I don't know if you can see that, but almost all the tread is gone on both sides. Tread is still there in the center, but again, not safe to be riding around on those things. So I'll just open these up now. There's our hub and everything. Everything looks quite good. Take a look. Here we go. Spring looks good, shock looks good. The frame is absolutely excellent. Okay, so now let's get this wheel on and see what it looks like. Oh my goodness, fits like a glove. Now, when I searched it, I searched tires for Club Car DS, and Amazon has a remarkable job done on organizing all the items, I guess, for customers. So it was quite easy to select the right wheel. But again, I wasn't 100% sure, that's why I just want to try it right now and make sure it all fits okay. And we'll give them a quick tighten. We'll tighten them fully now when she's back down on the ground. The way I like doing the lugs is similar to the way I do a valve. I'm an instrumentation tech by trade, and you always do a cross bolt pattern when tightening your lugs, so you get an equal distribution. You won't twist anything, basically. So just do it in an X shape, so bolt across from each other. Oh wow, that's tightening up pretty good even though we're not on the ground. Oh, it's pushing against the gearbox, okay. Okay, we'll just lay her back down on the ground and we'll give them an extra little tighten. Oh, one thing I forgot to check. And again, I'm not too worried about that yet, is direction of, I'll have to look that up later because I need my glasses on to see. Every wheel has a direction that is supposed to rotate in most of the time. Now reverse and all that's fine, but you'll see it marked usually on the wheel rotation, and there'll be an arrow telling you. Some wheels don't have it because the tread is the same on both ways. I'm not sure if these do or not. Like I said, I gotta get my glasses. So anyway, I'll just lay this hubcap back down. We'll have a little look-see, see what she looks like. There's no spot here really for the valve. I guess the valve just pops it through one of them covers. Oh yeah, it does. And here we are. Oh, doesn't that look sweet? And you know what? It's just $99, 2 brand new wheels. Look how much better that looks already. It's crazy. I might do the front two yet, but anyway, we'll see. Okay, I will talk to you later.